Hi guys, today we will talk about how to completely cancel any subscription of Calendly. So let's get started. The first thing is head over to the Calendly website, and once you will be there, sign in to that account on which you want to cancel your subscription. As you can see, I already do all these things and I am on the Calendly. Here, take a look on the right top. You can see your profile icon, click on it, and here you can see currently I have free plan. But if you have any plan, then maybe you will be able to see the option of billing. Both are same. Click on any one. Now here you can see I am redirected to the page where I can choose a plan that fit to my choice. These are the yearly plan, and if I click on the option Bill Monthly, then you will see the option of monthly plans. Now in order to cancel any subscription, the first thing is you have that plan. And once you have, then instead of seeing the option Select, you will see the option of Cancel Plan or Renew. So click on the option Cancel and cancel it. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.